We have great updates for the SoSoValue airdrop as well as the grass airdrop, so make sure to stick until the end. But we jump straight to laptop as we're talking here, the SoSoValue airdrop. Now I am positioning, I got XP points, all of this, but to be eligible for the airdrop, which is gonna come in 2 weeks time, this is the next big airdrop, you have to go and do this boost trading. So basically what you do is you sign up and then you have to deposit, trade, and confirm, and I want to do it with you. So I deposited about 140 USDC right here, and the first task is to go and do a 5x a 5x no sorry a 5k trading in total. So how can we do it? Well, we simply go and trade on leverage. So for example, here on Bitcoin, we go and do as much as we can. We open a big position over here on leverage, $3,000 in terms of the value of the token. And what is it gonna go? Is it gonna go up? Is it gonna go down? I think it's gonna go down within the next minute or so. So we're gonna go click on sell. And as we see here now, the position is open. And we can either sell it immediately or hold it, see where it goes and fluctuate. But the way for you to go and do volume is to simply go and open trade, because you do need, I will leave the link, by the way, I will leave the link below so that you know that you can go and perform it and how to do it. And you simply need to go, as we see here, trade 5k, then the next step 20k, etc. So keep on trading and just get to the 100% human so that you will receive the airdrop and you will not fall behind it and you will not lose out on the airdrop. And this is it. So you simply do it, and we're gonna go and do this one together. So here we're gonna close it at market price, for example, to give you an idea, which I did lose a couple of dollars, but nonetheless we go and open it again. As we see, we sell again and we open another position. So now we open two $3,000 position that we see right here. Both of them more or less are the same value. And once we've done it, we simply close it again. Okay, we're gonna take the loss in terms of the fees and whatnot. But as we see here, then this one is, the trade 5k has to go and verify. And as we see here, we have gone and do it 3,400, which is one. Now we do need to give them the time of day to realize the second one, which we just did. So by the time, as we see here, simply go and trade. If it doesn't happen, simply open another short position as we are doing right now. Keep on opening, keep on closing, keep on doing the position. Very, very simple. And of course, whether it is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Hype, all the others, make sure to go and do it. The link will be down below. And yeah, just go and enjoy, go and trading, and go and make some money. If not, at least go and do the order, which it is really, really important. So very easy to go and do it. Here we go. So congratulations, now it kept on recording. So we keep going, and now we trade 20k. If we see 20k, we click on verify, we see that we traded 13k. So you see how easy it is to get to that 20k. So make sure to go and do it. I will just go and do it immediately now with you, as you can also see yourself that it is exceptionally easy to go and do it. Very, very simple. Open our 3k position, as we see here, is 3k once, 3k up, 3k down, 3k up, and of this. And then of course, if you have, if you do think that a position is gonna be more profitable if you keep it open, then of course make sure to go and do that. But now here we're just doing it kind of like in the midst of things, like quite fast, to go and get that verification going, and soon rather than later. And again, another $3,000 position with a little bit of profit over here, which, yes, by the way, after this I do actually think that Bitcoin, it is going to go lower, and I will open a good long short position, a good short position on Bitcoin to go and make some money, because I do think, like, recently it's gone up and then it's gone back down, and I do think that it is going to go even more lower. So yeah, that is what I do believe it is gonna happen. Sorry for this slide, but it's not really working. But with that, yes, now we did it a couple of times, and I will go and open my 100% full short position with the liquidation price at 78k, and I will leave it here, writing it super, super simple. Come back here, keep on going, click on verify, and here it should be successful. Oh, we're missing about one. So in just a second, I will come back and this one will happen and it will be done. But after that, we have the grass airdrop. Now, the core team stated that their goal remains simple: real rewards for real users, which means a lot of you are not going to be eligible for the airdrop. And what does this mean? Well, the team announced that the network is now more reliable than ever, with improved performance for higher success rate, and this is the tweet. The results of improvement of our detection and filtering capabilities that remove bots, bad actors, and low-quality nodes from the network. Our effort to prevent bad actors from gaming the system have had less stronger and very suitable. So all you gotta do, go over here to the grass page, go to the dashboard right here, and you will be able to go and see everything that you need to know. One thing, Make sure to keep it open. Make sure to keep on logging into Grass on a daily basis for you to be eligible for the airdrop, for you to go and receive the rewards, and do all of the good things that you need to do. But that it is super important. Sign up, log in, do all the things. As we see here, I am getting points. Let me know your total points allocation down below. But yeah, make sure to go and participate over for the SoSo airdrop. Make sure to go and participate for the Grass airdrop. The link will be down below. Make sure to go and do it, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.